Hello everyone, it's Jamie from Crypto Dreams, and this is our artist Tony.
Hello.
And he's going to tell you how to create some fire using...
Simple bit of fire. Very simple. Just to add in a few colours. Obviously I've added a black background here, but right, so let's start by just detailing a slight wave in here of what fire would look like when it starts to burn really high. And as you can see at the moment it just looks like weird trees. But it's okay, because we need to get the shape. Once we've got the shape, then we can just simply go in. Okay, so we're good to go. So let me just... So there's our simple layout for the fire. First we're going to do is, it's going to sound really strange, but we're going to go over with a white background. But we're actually going to use a Paintshop background. I'm just going to do a little bit of white just to explain where the burning and the light from it's going to go. So we're just going to do that. We can do it ever so slightly. It don't have to be spot on. Again, I'm just going to colour that in. Colour that in, and then we're just going to go on this one. We're going to do the same again. And we're just going to just highlight those areas. And you'll understand why I'm using white in a minute. So we're going to simply go up to a nice orange, and we're going to start blending the orange into the white on the outside. And we're just going to go in, and we're just going to do a slight orange all the way on the outer edge, like so.
Oh, and just so the viewers know, this is Paintshop Pro 2023 edition.
Yeah, I actually like using Paintshop Pro, it's really nice. It's great for a tablet as well. So yeah, we've got a nice bit of red there going on. And we're just going to add a bit of orange there. Then we're going to go in with some yellow. Actually we'll do that colour yellow. We're just going to go in and we're just going to add some yellow in between the orange there. Just don't have to be spot on. As you can see, it's already taken shape. You normally see a darker colour on the outside of fire and a lighter colour on the inside. So we're just going to go along now and just add another colour. And we're just going to whip it around. There we go. Just blend the colours in together. Let them do their magic together. And obviously the bottom bit's going to be darker because that's where it burns the most. I'm going to go in with some black. Opacity we'll put at about 6. I'm just going to go in and just darken off the edges. Because we're on a black background, we've really got to start to on those edges a little bit just to get some points. From the rather darker area down below. So then we're going to go with a nice lighter yellow, and we're just going to go inside here, and we're just going to whip it up a little bit, and we can blend that in as well. We can blend that into that. As you can see, it really does burst them colours out. There we go. Then we're going to go on to another orange, and we're just going to do the same again. Just going to go around the edges. Down. blister that up. So just finish this one off. That's it. I'm going to get a red. Again, just gonna all we're using is a standard red, yellow, orange.
Yeah, surprising how much of a difference it makes when you do the little edges.
Yeah. Then we're just going to go in with another yellow, and we're just going to start splattering the yellow about in places. I'm just gonna, yeah. There we go, and then we're just going to add a bit more red. We'll darken that red, so we'll just get a little bit of and then we just get some black. We're just going to go over the edges of the file and really blend it in with the black there. We don't really want to show a lot of that. We just want to, as the fire is burning, it gets blacker and blacker. I'll just darken that up a little. There. That's it. And then we just get a little bit of light again, a little bit of light yellow, and just blend. And then it's just a little bit. And remember, the pressure points on the pen really help this. So with a mouse you can't really do much pressure. And then we just finish it off with a little bit of red on the other side. And then a little bit of black. Start darkening off these edges if we do it with a bigger. And we start to darken it off. There we go.
Excellent. Well, we hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And yeah, if you like this content, please subscribe and like it.
Thanks guys.